Hello guys, welcome to the garage. It's been a long time. Here's a short clip. I'm working on the spindle. I had to stop it lately because of some bearing noise, so I did some retightening, adding a spring washer between the bearing and the nut. And while I was at it, I wanted to take out this Bijur mini pump that was actuated by an eccentric ring on the spindle, and this is kind of limited to 2000 pulses per minute. And by the way, the eccentric ring was not, well, obviously not balanced, and it was shaking the spindle badly above 1500 RPM. So I wanted to change that to unlock some higher speeds. So never mind the dripping. I switched to this small pump. It took me a while to figure out what kind of pump to put there. This is a peristaltic pump that is running on 230 volts. It's a Germac Italian pump. It's used on dishwashers for detergent metering. So it's supposed to be intermittent duty, but seems to work okay so far. So we'll see how it does with continuous duty. And so I have hooked it up to exactly the same oil pickup ports, and kind of changed the routing so that it lubricates as it used to the upper spindle bearing through a hole in the casting, and the lower spindle bearing with this copper tube here. So the dripping is just because I've been testing it and the spindle is not spinning, so the oil slinger below the lower bearing is not working. And so here we go. There's the pump running. Good thing it's extremely silent. I didn't want to have another mini high pressure pump like the one lubricating the waste because it's very noisy. This one is almost silent. It's quite slow, which is good because you really want a small quantity of oil there, not too much. There's no point in flooding the bearings. You can see it's dripping from the top and dripping from this tube, so it means the spindle is well lubricated. So that's it for today. I'm working on a ATC cylinder. I've been making a couple of bushings that will fit in the spindle. This one's gonna have holes to put the balls in, and the balls will lock on this BT40, forgot the name of that thing. So I've got a bunch of them, and hopefully I'm going to start this project in the following weeks and have a power drawbar on this CNC mill here. Well, thanks for checking in, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.